Bihar 2025. Why BJP eyes upcoming assembly polls as power play for 2027 presidency. For the BJP, the assembly elections in Bihar are not just about forming a state government, but about a crucial political development in the offing. They are about reclaiming national dominance in time for the presidential election due in 2027. Internally, senior political and poll strategists of the BJP have marked Bihar as a priority state, and it has now become more critical than even Maharashtra or Uttar Pradesh in the coming cycle, has learnt. The urgency and growing significance stem from certain numbers. According to a senior source in the BJP ranks, the party's electoral college edge for the presidential poll has dropped from 69% to just 52% after the 2024 Lok Sabha results. That slip has triggered alarms in Delhi. With little addition expected from West Bengal, Kerala, or Punjab, and with Uttar Pradesh maxed out and Uttarakhand already being saturated, the party now has only two realistic growth zones that include Tamil Nadu and Bihar. A short-term imperative. Even as Tamil Nadu appears to be a long-term bet, Bihar seems to be the current imperative, the source said. This calculation makes the upcoming Bihar polls a make-or-break situation. The BJP aims at increasing its seat share by at least 35, not only to form the government but to build a decisive buffer for 2027 that is seen as a contest the party cannot afford to lose. Every assembly seat from Bihar contributes to the strength of the electoral college, and the state's 243 seats can significantly tilt the balance. This, meanwhile, adds freshness to the political equation, which is clearly about the absence of succession drama in the JDU. Sources said Nishan Kumar, son of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, is not likely to contest the assembly polls. Both Nitish and the BJP want to avoid a dynastic narrative in this sensitive situation. For the BJP, this clears the way to take over the NDA command in Bihar, sidestepping legacy issues and allegations, a senior BJP leader said. Swipe left for next video. The party is also doing everything it can possibly do to avoid internal sabotage like in 2020. This time, Chirag Pawan is seeking more seats, overlapping with the JDU turf. The BJP is, however, trying to rein him in to avoid rupturing the alliance, or antagonizing Nitish Kumar, said another source.